Hello friends, today let's discuss how to set up shipping method in inventory module. So shipping method can be used for your sale order and also for your e-commerce, and there are various delivery methods available in that allows you to manage your transport company. So let's create one shipping method. Here you can see the many shipping methods are already created. So let's create one shipping method. From here you can give your name of your shipping method. So I give a name as per rule, and here you can set your provider fixed price based on rule, or there are many providers. For your provider you have to go to the configuration setting. Let's first save. Let's set our delivery product as let's set pedal bin as our delivery product and then save. Let's go to the configuration setting. And from here you can enable or disable your providers shipping connectors. So let's go back to our shipping method as per rule. So if you choose provider fixed price, then here you can set fixed price that will set on your shipping. So if you set 50 rupees, that your shipping charge, then install more provider. From here you can also install more providers. And then company, from here you can set company website. And then delivery product, for which delivery product you have to set shipping method. So from here you can set, and the margin on rate. So then margin on rate is, this is a percentage will add to the shipping price. So it will be add to the shipping price. So this is based on percentage. If it is a fixed price, then its percentage will be taken as margin. So if it is for fixed price, then this percentage is taken as a margin. So I set 5%. And this is also another option, free if order amount is above. So if I enable this, you can see here you can set amount. If my order is above than 1000 rupees, then the shipping is free because we enable this checkbox. Or below than the 1000 rupees, then fixed price 20 and 5% margin will be set on the shipping method. Or here you can see another based on rule. So if you select provider as based on rule, here you can add any rule by clicking add line. Here you can set condition that if my price is less than or greater than or equal to, if my price is less than equal to 300, then the delivery cost is 10, or it is for price. So if my price is less than 300, then delivery cost 10 plus 10, 20 rupees will be applied. So let's save and close. So here also you can set many rules from here. So let's set fixed price, that our fixed price is 50 rupees of shipping method, and 5 percentage margin, and if our amount is above than 1000 rupees, then shipping price is free. So save. Let's create one sell order. Three. So here you can see your total is 150. So when you click on add shipping and set your shipping method that you created as per rule, here you can see your cost is 52, because 50 rupees as we set fixed price, and 2.50 as we our margin ratio. So when you add, you can see your subtotal is turns to 202, and if your total price is above 1000, then the shipping price is free, that we selected. Let's see what's happened if we select paddle pin. Then set quantity as 50. So our total is 2500. So if we add shipping and our shipping method name as per rule, so here you can see the message, the shipping is free since the order amount exceeds 1000. So when you add, then no shipping charges will be added, because our total is above 1000. So this is all about shipping method. Thanks for watching video.